From the first development of the site plan in 2005 to the passage of the bond in November of 2006 and the final design drawing in 2007, the new Durango Library has been a long time coming, and now 1900 East 3rd Avenue is finally a reality. With its expansive second floor corridor, cozy corner reading and studying areas, and first floor river lounge with fireplace and large patio, plus numerous departments for all interests, there is something for everyone at the new library. Features include the main entry and lobby, cafe, friend store, self-checkout stations, private program and function rooms, private study rooms, river lounge, children's library, kids patio, river patio, year-round outdoor patio, and drive-up book drop. The second floor features the La Plata Lounge, large meeting room, Southwest History Collection, study rooms, quiet reading room, and large balcony. Program rooms operate independently of the library to accommodate your event needs. The computer lab features computers and laptops for use throughout the library. The expansive children's library can be found by following the yellow brick road. The library also has many exciting and unique art installations. A young adults section provides an environment for studying and socializing. The Southwest History Room is always packed with rotating exhibits. The automated check-in, check-out system moves books throughout the library quickly and effortlessly and is synced with the check-in system for real-time status of books. Both electronic and traditional book returns give patrons a choice to use what they are most comfortable with. The new Durango Public Library will provide Durangans a place to gather and learn for generations to come.